My dear student, now I am going to give you some numbers and you are asked to round up the following numbers to 100 place and find the estimated and actual sum of the following. Okay, so what we have to do here?
We have to find the estimated sum and the actual sum.
Yes, we have to find the estimated and actual sum. What is the estimated sum?
The sum we get by estimating the two numbers.
Yes, the sum that we get by adding the numbers which are estimated to the indicated place. ಕೊಟ್ಟಂಥ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆನ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಥಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂದಾಜು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅವನ್ನ ಕೂಡಿದಾಗ ಬರೋ ಉತ್ತರನೇ ನಾವು ಎಸ್ಟಿಮೇಟೆಡ್ ಸಮ್ ಅಂದಾಜು ಮೊತ್ತ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಂದರೆ ಈಗ ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಎಸ್ಟಿಮೇಟೆಡ್ ಸಮ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ ದೀಸ್ ಟು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಎಸ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟು ನಂಬರ್. ಯಾವ ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಗೆ ಎಸ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತೆ? Yes, we have to estimate these two number to the 100 place. 1, 10, 100.
Yeah.
ಈ 100 place estimate ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ what we have to do?
We have to see the 10 place.
We have to see 10 place. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಅಂಕಿಯ ಬಲಪಕ್ಕದ ಅಂಕಿ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 0 ಇದೆ. ನೋಡಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು?
ಅದು ಐದಕ್ಕಿಂತ
Is it less than 5 or greater than 5 ಅಂತ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. Is it less than 5 or greater than 5?
less than.
If it is less than 5, what we have to do this digit?
We have to keep it as that.
As right as it is, and two digits are present towards the right side. ಏನು ಮಾಡಲಿ?
Put 2 zeros.
Replace those two digits by 2 zeros. Okay. Next, ಇದನ್ನು ಯಾವ ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಗೆ ಎಸ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? 100. 1, 10, 100. If you are going to round up this number to the 100 place, what do you have to do?
You have to see its distance.
Towards the right side ನೋಡಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ? It is less than 5 or greater than 5 ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
It's greater, more than 5.
Yes, it is greater than 5, more than 5. ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿದೆ. Then what do you have to do this digit?
We have to add
Add 1 to 100 place. Then 1 becomes
2.
1 plus 1, 2. Two digits are present towards right side. What do you have to do?
I have to write.
Replace those two digits by 2 zeros. Okay. Next, what do you have to do these numbers now?
We have to add it.
Add 0 plus 0.
0.
0 plus 0.
0.
4 plus 2. 6. And this sum is known as?
Estimated sum.
Yes, estimated sum. The sum that we get by adding the two estimated number is known as estimated sum. Is it over?
No.
No. We find only the estimated sum. And now we have to find out the actual sum, the real sum. ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು?
ಆ ನಂಬರ್ನ ಹಾಗೆ ಕೂಡಬೇಕು.
ಹೇಗಿದ್ದಾವೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಅವನ್ನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎಷ್ಟು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ? 6 plus 2?
8.
8. 7 plus 0? 7. 1 plus 4? 4. 5. Very good. And the number that we get by adding these two numbers as it is, that sum is known as actual sum or real sum. Okay? Yes. Now I am going to give you one more example for you. For example, the numbers are like this. The numbers are like this. 856 plus 475. 475. Yes. Now you are asked round up the following number to 100 place and find the estimated and actual sum. First, what you have to find?
Actuals. Actuals.
ಬೇಡ, ಆಗಲೇ ಎಸ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದ್ರಿ, ಹಾಗೆ ಮುಂದುವರಿಸ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ, ತಪ್ಪೇನಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಸ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ಸಮ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬಹುದು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಸ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬಹುದು, ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಸ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ ಸಮ್ನೇ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋಣ. ಅಂದರೆ ಇನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಈಗ ನಾವು?
Estimate.
Yes, we have to estimate these two number to which place?
100 place.
Yes, they are asking us to estimate these to 100 place. 1, 10, 100. If you want to estimate this one to 100 place, what do you have to do?
We have to see its 10 place.
Towards the right side, that is 10 place. Nodi, is it less than 5 or greater than 5?
Exact.
It's the exact 5. Then what do you have to do?
We have to add 1.
Add 1 to
100.
100 place. ಹೌದು, ಬಲಪಕ್ಕದ ಅಂಕಿ 5 ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅಥವಾ 5ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡದಿದ್ದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Then 8 will become 9. And 2 digits are replaced by
0s.
2 zeros. Then 1, 10, 100. Towards the right side, how much is there?
4. 7.
7 is there. Is it greater than 5 or less than 5?
Greater than 5.
Then what you have to do to
We
100
have to
plus?
add 1.
Then 4 will become
5.
5. 4 1 add ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ 5 ಆಯ್ತು. And these two digits are replaced by
2 zeros.
2 zeros. Now what I have to do?
We have to add
Add 0 plus 0.
0.
0 plus 0. 9 plus 5.
14.
14. And this sum is known as
Estimated sum.
the sum that we get by adding two estimated number is known as estimated sum. Is it over?
No.
No. Next, what do you have to do?
Actual sum.
If you want to get the actual sum, what do you have to do?
We have to write those.
We have to add those two numbers that they have given us. Yes, add ಮಾಡಿ 5 plus 6,
11.
11 ಗೆ 1 carry
1.
1 to 10 plus 7 plus 1,
8.
8 plus 5,
14.
huh? 8 plus 5,
8 plus 5. 13.
13. In 13, how much I have to write here?
3.
3. And 1 is taken as carried to 100 plus.
Yeah.
8 plus 1,
9.
9 plus 4.
13.
In 13, how much I have to write?
3.
3. And 1 is taken as carried to 1000 plus. Any number is there?
No.
No. ಏನು ಮಾಡಲಿ ಅವನ್ನ?
But write
As it is. And this sum is known as?
actual sum.
Yes, it is known as actual sum. Now I am going to give you one more example like this. I am going to give you one more example now. For example, the numbers are like this. The numbers are like this. 225 plus 346 plus 881. And you are asked to round up the following number to 100 place and find the estimated and actual sum. First, ಏನು find out ಮಾಡೋಣ?
Estimated sum.
Estimated sum. ಯಾವ ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಗೆ ಎಸ್ಟಿಮೇಟೆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತೆ?
100 place.
ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ?
100.
100 ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಗೆ ಎಸ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತೆ. ಎಸ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಎಸ್ ಓಕೆ 1 10 100 ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಸ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು?
10 plus
Look towards the 10 place, towards the right side. How much is there?
2.
Is it less than 5 or greater than 5?
It's less than
If
5.
it is less than 5, then what do you have to do this
We have to
number?
write the number
Yes,
as
100 plus ಹಾಗೆ ಬರೋದು ಮುಂದೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಇದೆ?
Where?
2 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ replace those 2 digit by
2 zeros.
2 zeros. Next, okay. 1 10 100. ಇದು 100 place ಎಸ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ
ಅದ್ರ ಬರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ನೀವು.
look at the 10 place. How much is there?
4.
Less than 5 or greater than
It's
5?
less than 5.
If it is less than 5, what I have to do this one?
We have to write the number
As it is. 5 ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗಿದೆ, ಸೊ 100 ಸ್ಥಾನದ ಅಂಕಿನ ಹಾಗೆ ಬರೀರಿ. ಮುಂದೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ? Replace those 2 digit by
2
2 zeros. 1 10 100. ಈ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಎಸ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ
ಅದ್ರ ಬರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ
10 ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನೋಡಿ 5ಕ್ಕಿಂತ
ಕಡಿಮೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ.
yes is greater than 5. Then what I have to do?
We have to add 1.
Add 1 to 100 place. Then 8 will become
9.
9. And replace these 2 digit by
100.
2 zeros. Now
Yeah. We have to add the numbers. Zeros.
0
0.
0 9 plus 3 12. 12 plus 2 14. And this is known as
Estimated.
estimated sum. Estimated sum. This is known as estimated sum. Yes, okay. Is it over?
No.
No. Now what do you have to find?
Actual sum.
Actual sum because ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇವನ್ನ?
We have to write those numbers as it is.
We have to add those number by writing as it is. Okay? Yes. Come on, add the numbers. 6 plus 5,
11.
11 plus 1,
12.
12, yeah.
2.
2, and the 1 is carrying 10 plus. 8 plus 2,
9.
8 plus 2,
10.
10. 10 plus 4,
14.
14 plus 1,
15.
15, yeah.
5.
5, carry 1 to
Yeah.
100 plus. 8 plus 2,
10.
10 plus 3, 13. 13 plus 1,
14.
14, yeah.
14.
4, carry 1 to 1000 plus. Is there any number? Write as it is. And this sum is known as?
Estimated sum.
Huh? Is it
Actual sum.
No, this is the real sum. This is the actual sum of those 3 numbers. Okay?